The frigatebird is the bird with the largest wingspan in comparison to their body size. There are 5 different species of frigatebirds that can be found near tropical and subtropical coasts around the world. These birds can fly for hours, days, or even weeks at a time due to their large wingspan. They have a slender black body and wings. And the males have a very unique red pouch that inflates when they are trying to attract a mate. Frigatebirds are also known as man-o'-war birds. Compared to their body size, this bird's wingspan is larger than that of any other bird. Females can spend up to 1.5 years rearing their chick before it will be ready to go out on its own. These birds often steal fish and other food from other seabirds using their hooked beak. On land, frigatebirds live in a large colony with up to 5,000 other birds. These birds are mostly black in color, and they have a hooked bill, which is used to catch and/or steal fish from other birds. They also have very small webbed feet. During their courting season, males can be easily identified by their bright red inflated pouch on their throats, known as a gular pouch. This area of their body becomes as large as a person's head when they are trying to attract females. Adult females have white markings on their undersides. 4 of the 5 species, magnificent frigatebirds, Christmas frigatebirds, ascension frigatebirds, and great frigatebirds, are all relatively similar in size. They have a short neck with a very slender body. The magnificent frigatebird is about 45 inches long, and the other 3 subspecies are nearly as large. The lesser frigatebird is significantly smaller than its counterparts and is only around 28 inches long. These birds have very distinct wings. They are narrow and taper down to a point on either side. Additionally, these birds are known for their very long wingspan. A male's wingspan can be over 2 meters long. This is as tall as Michael Jordan. In fact, when compared to their body size, this bird's wingspan is larger than that of any other bird. The face and legs are covered in black feathers. They have 11 primary flight feathers on their wings and 23 secondary feathers. Due to their wingspan and small body, a frigatebird is very aerial. They are able to soar for very long periods of time without needing to flap their wings. Because of this, these birds spend a lot of time flying and may stay airborne for days or even weeks, only returning to land when it is time to roost. These birds are unable to swim, unlike some other birds. They also have very short legs, which prevents them from being able to take flight from the water and makes it challenging for them to walk on land. Frigatebirds live near tropical and semi-tropical coasts all around the world. In most cases, they stay within a 100-mile range of land so they can easily return to breed and nest. The exact range and location of these birds can vary based on where they are able to find food. Since they fly with the updrafts beneath cumulus clouds, the trade winds can also influence where they may fly. The magnificent frigatebird can be found in different areas along the tropical portions of the Atlantic Ocean, such as Florida and the Caribbean. These birds can also be found along the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Central and South America between Mexico and Ecuador. They also live along the Galapagos Islands. Great frigatebirds are also found in different tropical areas around the globe. These birds live along the Pacific Ocean as far north as Hawaii. They can also be found near Wake Island, New Caledonia, and the Galapagos in the Central and South Pacific. Additionally, you can also find the great frigatebird in the Indian Ocean near Christmas Island, the Maldives, Mauritius, and Aldabra. Christmas frigatebirds live near Christmas Island, Australia, which is located in the Indian Ocean. Ascension frigatebirds live near Bosun Bird Island, which is located in the South Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Ascension Island. The lesser frigatebird lives over the seas around Australia. These birds can often be found near some of the more remote islands, like Christmas Island, where they like to breed. It is challenging for scientists to monitor the population of these birds since they move around often and don't reproduce as much as some other species. It is estimated that there are between 59,000 and 71,000 breeding pairs of magnificent frigate birds worldwide, putting their conservation status as least concern. The number of these creatures worldwide is currently increasing. Scientists believe there are between 3,600 and 7,200 Christmas frigate birds, deeming them critically endangered. There are likely several 100,000 lesser frigate birds, though their population is decreasing as well with a conservation status of least concern. It is estimated that there are only about 12,500 Ascension frigate birds left in the world. They have a conservation status of vulnerable. The great frigatebird has a conservation status of least concern. There are still a lot of these birds located throughout the world.